Hey YouTubers and everyone else out there. Okay, this is a blower, exhaust blower out of our pellet stove. It sounds horrible. You hear it? Bearing issue, right? Now, hold on. Kind of hear it. When it gets hot, it gets really bad. So I have to replace the bearings. Yeah, they're bad. They're shot. We've already actually stuck a skateboard bearing in one, because these take skateboard bearings, essentially. A little typical skate bearing. But it still had another bad one on it, you know. So 14 bucks, brand new, genuine bearings. Bearings. Anyways, they're just skateboard bearings. $14 for those. ABEC 5s. ABEC, yeah, it's ABEC. ABEC, whatever. So, I'm going to get to tear it apart. And then, really, I won't be able to do a video of the whole teardown or anything because I'm on my own right now. But, maybe I can show you a few things in between. Alright?